Jacques Reifman. I'm a Department of the Army Senior Research Scientist working at Fort Detrick, where I lead and perform research at the Biotechnology High Performance Computing Software Applications Institute for Force Health Protection, also known as the BHSAI, where we perform computational biology research. That is, we use mathematics, computers, and experimental data to address a whole host of military medical problems.
Hello, I am Jeanette Little, and I work for the Telemedicine and Advanced Technology Research Center. I lead an intramural laboratory within this organization known as the Mobile Health Innovation Center, or MHIC. MHIC evaluates mobile technologies through research activities prior to enterprise deployments.
Hello, I'm Gary Gilbert. I'm the lab director of the Operational Medicine Lab in the Telemedicine Advanced Technology Research Center. Our mission is to research, prototype, and evaluate technical solutions to meet operational gaps in theater health services support and force health protection at or near the tactical edge.
Hi, I'm Betty Levine, Lab Manager for the Health Technology Innovation Center, also known as the HTIC. Our mission is to empower government, commercial, and academic partnerships to research and develop innovative information technologies that advance military healthcare.
Hi, I'm Geoffrey Miller, Laboratory Manager for Medical Modeling and Simulation Innovation Center, or MSIC. The MSIC is dedicated to saving lives and improving patient care by advancing the capacity and capabilities of medical modeling and simulation-based training and education across the military health system and its practitioners.
Hi, I'm Holly Pavlicek, Program Manager for the AMED Advanced Medical Technology Initiative, also known as the AMT program. The Army Surgeon General, through the Telemedicine Advanced Technology Research Center, also known as TATRC, provides a Defense Health Program Operations and Maintenance appropriation to enable technology proofs of concepts and demonstrations throughout the MedCom.
So here at the BHSAI, we have a team of about 40 scientists and staff. It's an interdisciplinary team. And also we collaborate with both life scientists within the command and outside the command, because the military medical problems are really too hard unless we form interdisciplinary teams. In particular because we really work across the entire spectrum of military medical problems. We have efforts in endemic infectious diseases, combat casualty care, military operational medicine, rehabilitative medicine, and the ChemBio program. So for us to address these very difficult problems, we really need to put together teams of scientists. We need to first identify the military medical problem, feasible solutions, put a team together, and then we need to execute. I think that what we always keep in mind, and we'll always tell our staff here, that we have a customer. We have folks that are putting their lives on the line, and our job is to do the best work we can, the best research we can, to try to support them.
MHIC is a robust interdisciplinary team. We collaborate with peer organizations within the military and academia to conduct demonstrations, feasibility evaluations, and formal clinical research. Our team is focused on mobile technology performance, efficacy, and outcomes in healthcare, which is an underserved area of telehealth. At present, there is a paucity of outcomes-based evidence for the use of mobile technologies. MHIC strives to apply the right technologies to bridge the gaps and inefficiencies that exist within our DoD healthcare system to ensure that our servicemen and women are given the highest quality healthcare experience possible.
So the key research areas within the Operational Telemedicine Lab are in the area of robotics and unmanned systems, telemedicine and medical information exchange in a tactical environment, and special operations medical technologies. So the way we do our research is we start with enabling technologies, which we often develop through small business innovative research projects, or look at those type of technologies developed by other labs within MRMC. And then we use funding from the joint program committees to integrate those technologies into systems that we can take out to the field and evaluate with soldiers. And that is a key thing that is a key focus that we have, is to be able to take these technologies out to the field with soldiers and medics and see how they operate in that environment. So I think a combination of the research methods that I described and the team I have to work with has resulted in a lot of successes in the research area. Our biggest challenge now is to be able to successfully transition those to help the soldiers and save lives.
The HTIC delivers innovative solutions for military medicine by blending health information management and technologies. We identify and investigate gaps within military medicine and provide emerging technology solutions by engaging with government, academic, and industry partners. We also maintain a state-of-the-art development and testing environment to promote emerging HIT research. Our current projects focus on using technology to support behavioral change, supporting emerging interface technologies to facilitate the exchange of data between electronic records, and researching ways to improve access to medical information from legacy and emerging electronic record systems. At the end of the day, our primary goals are to research and develop technologies that improve the fitness and readiness of our forces and identify creative solutions that improve access to and delivery of state-of-the-art healthcare to our military health beneficiaries.
At MSIC, we achieve this mission by developing new standards and technologies through innovative research and development initiatives and active collaboration with industry and academic partners focused on investigating emerging medical technologies and research efforts, evaluating currently available technologies and activities, and informing stakeholders regarding the effectiveness of advanced medical technology efforts across the MHS. Training and assessing military personnel to diagnose, treat, and manage casualties and medical conditions. Optimally preparing individuals, teams, and systems to respond to the myriad healthcare needs within the complex operational environment, and ensuring that military health system personnel are ready and able to sustain, improve, protect, and conserve the health and resilience of service members for optimal mission performance across global military activities and operations.
The fundamental goals of the AMT program are to demonstrate medical technologies and their impact on cost, access, quality of care, and safety of care, as well as medical readiness. The AMT program also provides senior MedCom leadership with MedTech Watch capabilities and encourages medical technology entrepreneurship by funding MedCom technology innovators through a bottoms-up approach. These goals support the program scope, namely the identification, exploration, and demonstration of key technologies and enabling biomedical principles that are required to overcome technological barriers that are medically and militarily unique. Through its bottoms-up approach to technology demonstration, the AMT program reaches out to those who are on the front lines of Army medicine to identify and demonstrate technologies and systems that support and advance the Army Surgeon General's vision while informing important acquisition decisions.
Hi, I'm Colonel Dan Crowell, and I have the distinct pleasure of serving as the Director for the Telemedicine Advanced Technology Research Center, which is a laboratory located within the Medical Research and Material Command in beautiful Fort Detrick, Maryland. Now that you've had a better understanding of the laboratories that are contained within the Telemedicine Advanced Technology Research Center, or TATRC, let me tell you a little bit about our strengths. As I see them, they're twofold: our people and our relationships, and both require constant care and feeding. Our people you've already met some of, but we're deep. We have a tremendous amount of experience, both long-term experience within military medicine, but also young, fresh talent. People that are excited to work in this space and have a passion for serving America's warfighters and developing the kinds of capabilities that we will need medically for the years to come. On the relationship side, relationships are key. It starts with our relationships with our capability developers and understanding the kinds of concepts and/or requirements that are coming down, and more importantly, the capability gaps to which the research community can be leveraged to solve. Those relationships extend to the acquisition programs, who ultimately we would like to transition our research to in the form of knowledge and/or material solutions. Relationships extend also into our extramural partners, whether that be laboratories or research centers, or simply investigators around the world, as well as the intramural research labs within the Department of Defense. Teamwork definitely does make the dream work. At the end of the day, however, we are very focused on what truly matters in military medicine, and that is to develop the best kinds of capabilities that our medical warfighters need to execute missions around the world. When called upon by our nation, we have to be there to deliver. And TATRC's mission is on point and focused on giving them the best kinds of capabilities to execute their mission.